Hey guys, it's Carl from the HID factory, and today I got this Dodge Challenger. What we're doing on this vehicle, we're going to smoke out the back tail lights. That includes the both side ones and the middle marker and the reverse light. So I'm going to show you what this looks like with the lights off and on. Alright guys, one more thing we do here at the HID factory, we actually remove the whole tail light assembly. So unlike other people who try to go a cheaper route where you try to tape everything off, the thing with that, you'll get overspray. You don't get in the cracks. It looks good during the day, but at night when you go turn on your lights or hit your brakes, you'll see a big line right there. Anywhere they didn't hit it correctly at the edges, it'll just be brighter. So we actually take it out, put it in our paint booth, give it 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear, and then a UV protected sealant. So I mean, it is an in-depth process that we do here. I mean, it's not something you just put on, spray on, and you're gone in 30 minutes. No, this process usually takes anywhere from 3 to 4 hours to complete. All right. Alright guys, so here's our finished product. This is what it's going to look like after. This is 3 coats of tint, 2 coats of clear, and 1 UV protectant sealant. Again, like you saw at the beginning of the video or halfway through the video, we actually remove it from the vehicle, take it to our paint shop, get it done. So if you want to go ahead and see up close, like I said, we just black out the whole third. For these vehicles, for the Challenger, it's the whole backside. Right, and so that's what it's going to look like blacked out. And let me go ahead and turn on the lights so you can see what they look like as well. So again, you still need a little bit of tint in them. We don't get them too dark, so obviously we want people behind you to see. And again, your reverse light as well. One thing I do like about this blackout is when you do the Dodge emblem blacked out, it actually looks gloss. So let me go ahead and put the reverse on. And there you go guys, this is actually our THF third light blackout kit. Thank you again.